Well, hello there, people. We are going to talk about backing up, and I made a little Bob Ross painting here to kind of talk about something called 3, 2, 1 backup philosophy or scheme or whatever you will call it. It's something that I read up about on and off for a couple of years, and I got told by someone that that's how they do it, and I kind of use that to some extent in my life, again, on and off. I kind of want to show you guys what it is in a virtual way here. And then you can be like, is this something I need? Is this good for me? And I think this 3, 2, 1 philosophy or method is perfect for us home users. So what it is that you have the original data here. Then you have 2 backups of that original data on 2 different media and 1 offsite. So 2 different media, that can be anything from so let's say it can be anything from, you know, a USB, or maybe that's not the best one to use here, you stupid fool. It can be anyone from a USB, oh, there's updates, to a SSD, to a, you know, traditional hard drive, to a DVD. You know, you just have it 2 different places. It could also be that you have a USB here, and then you have like a server here. You know, all of these kind of things. You get what I'm saying. You have it on 2 different media, and then you have 1 offsite. So this offsite one here could be the one that you are like, oh my god, how should that function? So if you live in a apartment, so if you offsite means that it's outside of your physical location, so you can't go and give it to, you know, your neighbor or the janitor or stuff like that. You could go to the apartment complex next site, but here's the thing that you probably should do. Take that USB or that DVD that you have up here and go to your parents' house or a friend's house, or have it at work, in your locker room at work, you know, with your work keys or work clothes or stuff like that. Have it as far away from you as possible. So if something happens in your home building, your data is not corrupted. Have it, you know, if something happened in your neighborhood or in your town, you're kind of safe. What I have noticed a lot of people do with the offsite here is that they use basically a USB device or external hard drive, and then they give it to their parents, or they give it to their friends that live, you know, the outskirts of the city, or they live in another city and stuff like that. The offsite one here is the one that I don't see many people do though. So this one over here is the one that I see people do the least. And here's the thing, if you are leaving it with family and friends like that, use an encrypted USB. Or encrypt it, or password lock it, or something like that, because people get nosy, man. So I hope this helped you guys out a little bit. What kind of backup schemes are you using? See you all later. Bye bye.